Hello students, a lot of users actually want to buy tablets for their educational purposes, so they want to know the best price of each and every tablets. I have made a video previous day and mentioned the prices of some of the tablets, yet some tablets are left. So in this video I will talk about the best price of those tablets. Normally if you are a student you will have a tight budget, so if your budget is under 20 and you want a tablet with S Pen in the box, there are actually two tablets that you can buy. The first tablet is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. The best price for this tablet is around 19,000 to 20,000 during offers, and if you have a tight budget of 15,000 rupees, in that case you can consider Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Though this is a very old device, yet if you have a tight budget, only then you can consider this tablet. You can buy this tablet during offers at a price point of 13 to 15,000 rupees, and you will get S Pen in the box along with this tablet, so it will be an added advantage for students to take notes. And also the screen size and the screen quality of this tablet is very good. Some users actually want to know the price of iPad Air 5th generation. If you want to buy the 64GB version, in that case the best price is around 41 to 43,000 rupees with all the offers and cashbacks. And if you want to go for the higher variant, that is 256GB, in that case the best price for 256GB iPad Air 5th generation is around 51 to 54,000 rupees. So you have to check out the deals. If you get this device under this price bracket, you can definitely buy, otherwise you should wait for the next sale. Some users want to know the best price of MI Pad 6. Actually, in Big Billion Days sale, MI Pad 6 was selling at 18,000 rupees for the 128GB version and under 20,000 rupees for the 256GB version. This is an old device, but it has very good features, so if you want to consider this tablet, you can definitely buy this tablet at around 19,000 to 20,000 for the 128GB version. And if you want to buy the 256GB version, in that case you may have to spend around 22,000 rupees. Next, if you want to buy Poco Pad, in that case the best price for this tablet is around 17,000 to 18,000 rupees for the 128GB version. And if you want to buy, I will suggest you to go for the 128GB version. So these are the tablets that actually users wanted to know the price of those tablets. So if you have any other tablet in your mind for which you want to know the price, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will make another video and then I will give you the exact pricing of that tablet. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.